In this particular orchard, the rows are 24 feet wide. This is an almond tree that is planted on an almond rootstock. And I would say it's probably 75 to 80 years old. But it goes clear past and into the next row where it fell over. And speaking of the next row, then we have this one. Same thing on an old almond rootstock. I'm looking right into the sun now. Get a little closer here. That's the nuts on it this year. These older trees really produce. But they're so old, there's not a lot of them out there. This is the upper portion of that tree. And like I said in the last video, this year for this orchard is a pretty heavy crop. Now I'll have to cut these two up. And I think I got two more, if I counted right. But this one actually landed into this portion of the tree, of this other tree on the other row. So I think probably some of the limbs on it will be cut off. And that's the stump or the root ball on the other of this tree. And I'll show you just the size of a limb coming off. That's the limb. You know, that's my hand. And I estimate this thing is probably 20 inches in diameter, that limb. And here's the other limb that's coming off. And it's close to 16 or 17 inches in diameter. These trees were trained before they had the modern shakers. And they either hit them with big mauls and poles, or they used what was called a redhead knocker, which is an air-powered device. But they had to be able to get in to each limb to do it. So that's why there's a lot of open space up here.